Morning. I have a meeting with my manufacturers for the product that's coming out hopefully top of next year. I actually have it in like 25 minutes. It's been so hot in California. We've had a crazy heat wave. It's been like 100 and something degrees every single day. I've been cold plunging so much, which has been great. I'm normally such a wuss when it comes to that. You're gonna die. I bought this Bottega bag off the RealReal, and the picture they used for it, I think they used like a medium-sized photo, but they wrote in the description it was called like the maxi Bottega bag. I thought it was gonna come a lot smaller. You won't even believe, hold on. You won't believe the size of this thing. Okay, I wanted to make this my everyday purse. What is one meant to do with this? I mean, it actually is pretty cool. But I might bring this on my staycation as my travel bag. Maybe it will be my airport bag from here on out, because it looks chic. It's just massive. Like, I think I could fit in this. Let me see. Like, I don't think I actually can, but I can almost fit in this bag. I think I'm gonna make it work because I can't return it. Hi. I actually found it so interesting. I sent it and I was trying it and it fell apart so quickly, and it made me realize, like, as I'm starting my own brand, like how important it actually is to take the time, even though I just like want it to come out already. It's like so worth taking the time to make sure it's really good. I'm sorry that it's taking me so long, but also I'm glad because I know when it's out, it'll be I just finished Pilates. It was hard. It was good though. I'm tired. I also drank a cold brew, and I kind of stopped drinking coffee and just started drinking matcha. And so now I feel like I'm super wired and I'm like buzzing, but all is well. I'm going on a little staycation today by the beach, and I'm there for the weekend, which will be really lovely. So I need to pack for that. That's pretty much all I have to say. Show you guys the beach and the dog eating a bowl before we go. so tired today. I'm getting ready right now. It's about 11:10. I'm just doing some oil on my face to gua sha. Oh no. I have a facial and then I also have therapy. So I feel like right now is the perfect time to talk about BetterHelp. I want to say thank you to them for sponsoring another video. It's a great website that connects you with a certified therapist, and it's all online, done from the comfort of your own home, which I love. So you can video chat with them, you can message them, phone call with them. I just think therapy has helped me in so many ways that I'm big into sharing why it's helped me so much. I remember kind of getting to a point where I just felt like I really needed an outlet and somebody to talk to that wasn't biased, just somebody to like spill. I don't really know if there was ever a point for me where I was necessarily like, okay, now I need to go to therapy, but it was just like a slow build of going through a lot of personal stuff in my own life. I needed to figure out like how my brain operated and just make sure like I kind of know how to manage it, because obviously like we're all humans, it's all a work in progress, but I just wanted to kind of figure out like some form of release in like a healthy, balanced way. Since I was a little kid, I was a pretty trusting person, and then as I've gotten older, I feel like I've developed more trust issues. That's another reason I really wanted to start therapy. So BetterHelp is the sponsor of today's video. They are on a mission to make starting therapy much easier, because I do feel like that can be tricky, not knowing how to find somebody or where to start. It's really easy with BetterHelp. You fill out a questionnaire, they pair you with a therapist. What I also love is if you're matched with somebody that you don't mesh with, or you'd like to try somebody else, you can easily switch to a new therapist, so you're not locked in, which is great. They obviously make sure all their therapists are qualified. They have a customer support team if you guys have any questions. They have over 7,000 reviews and a 4.5 rating on Trustpilot, so they are very legit. So if you're struggling and you think you would benefit from therapy, you can click the link in my description box or go to betterhelp.com/mylink. I don't know it, so I'm going to put it on the screen right here. I think it's probably Olivia Jade, but I don't know. I'm going to do my therapy in my pajamas, and then I'll come back and we'll pick out an outfit after I'm done. This is what I'm wearing. Sweater is lace set. Jeans are Citizen of Humanity, I think. Loafers are The Row. Okay, let's go. I'm getting suited up at my facial. Okay, let's go. I just got to the Pilates studio and I actually showed up early because there's no traffic on Sunday, which is so nice. I think I'm gonna stop by the farmer's market, even though I really don't need anything. Maybe I'll get some flowers, some hummus, and cheese. I'll at least get flowers. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna figure out where to set you up because my kitchen is a mess, and who doesn't love a little cleaning situation montage? Okay, here's what I got from the market. Croissant, chips, ricotta, avocado, hummus, pasta. This looked really good. Strawberries. It has vanilla custard filling. I'm making some avocado toast for breakfast, nothing super interesting. I'm walking to get my nails done. It's worth it. They look really nice. So I just do like round, I did a nude color. I don't know what the name of it is. I'm so sorry. I also saw so many questions of where my watch is from. My grandma gave it to me. It's hers. It's Gucci, but it's very old. So this evening I'm going to my parents' house for dinner. My mom's cooking a bunch of stuff, so I'll try and film a little bit of that. I just got dressed, no makeup, casual, because I'm just going to my parents, but how cute these shoes are. So yeah, we'll go to my mom and dad's house. My sister and her boyfriend will be there also. I'm bringing Milo, he loves his grandma. Good morning. I'm currently ice rolling my face, as you can see, because I'm getting ready to go on a podcast. This is probably my first and last. It's one of my best friend's podcasts. Should be good. Little concealer. And I feel like for me personally, when I do too much makeup, I end up actually not liking it. So I'm gonna do exactly what I do every day. And hopefully it's not too light on camera. I'll come back when I'm ready because this is just boring me sitting here. Okay, see you soon. Okay, I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. No eye makeup, no foundation, really light. The only thing I might add, maybe I should also add a little bit of powder under my eyes. Good to go. I am packing. I'm going on a trip tomorrow and I'm packing for that trip. I'll film a little bit of it and put it in a vlog or make it its own video, just depending on how much footage I get. I'm going on a family trip, so we'll see. Sometimes I like filming that, sometimes I just want to like have the moments with my family and not have to stress or worry about that, but I'll try and film because I know it's fun to see. I'm going someplace in Europe. I'm gonna pack. I am going to put this set in to start, and then I'll just show you a couple outfits or dresses and stuff I pull. Okay. I'm bringing this set. It's striped, it's cute, it's a big open back. Okay, next. I have this matching set, which is cute. I just can't tell if I want to bring it. It's nice though. I'm gonna leave it folded to the side, and if I feel like I need another outfit, I'll bring it, but it's not my like ultimate favorite. I swear I'm done with pantsuits after this, but I have this in black and white. And I'm thinking I'm gonna do it in white because it feels a little bit more Euro vibes. Black feels a little nighttime, but black is so cute. But it's okay. I'm gonna bring this with little heels, and now I gotta go find some dresses and skirts because I'm done with pantsuits. I'm packing, and the voice cut out for this whole segment. I don't know why, so I thought I'd voice it over. It does come back. but this set is really cute, and I was explaining to you that I really want to bring these shoes on my trip and wear them multiple times because they make me tall, and I'm 5'4", so I'm kind of small. So yeah, that's all. I don't know if I'm sold on bringing this. I have this set in black, which I love. I also have it in white though, which might be more like European. I don't know, I feel like this is cute for dinner. It's easy. The audio cut out again. I don't know what's going on. I was showing you the set in white, which I ultimately decided I'm going to bring this. But it's cool. I'm going to bring it. I don't know what I'm saying. Simple and cute. A skirt. This is so cute and cool and fun and different. Dun, 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 dun. I love this top. I held on to it for a reason. I'm definitely bringing this dress. I could switch the Manolos to a nude heel. I'm only bringing 2 heels though. I don't need more than that. White, black, covered. But I could do like a nude. Let me show you. Maybe this shoe as the second heel option instead of the white. This is boring, but I kind of like it. Is this too weird with the heels? Maybe this heel? I don't know why I feel like these micro shorts should be worn with a heel. But maybe I'm wrong. I got distracted. I'm pretty much packed. I threw in like a bunch of random stuff for the daytime. Okay. This is what I'm gonna wear to the airport. It's getting late, the sun is going down. I take way too long to pack. But yeah. This is the airport look. It's comfy, but not too comfy. You know? I'm ending this video here. Sorry for the abrupt ending. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.